Morning guys and girls, just having a fresh cup of tea this morning. Nice mild day today, probably like +1, +2, so we're getting lots of snow melt. I think today we're going to work on a couple of chainsaws. I know I got one that's got a spark issue. The other one, I think it's got rotten gas lines because it did run. We put gas in it, so I think that's what we're going to tackle today. So let's get at it. Okay, I'm going to start by taking some of this apart. I'm not a chainsaw mechanic. Pretty easy, just start taking stuff apart that you know you can take apart and put back together. So, just like that. You're already at the carburetor. You see right here. See the line completely gone. Completely gone right out of there. One goes to the primer bulb and then they go into the tank. And you can't see it, but down in that hole is where they should be. So let me see what's going on. And it does run. I put gas in it. Whoa, sorry. I put gas in it. It does run. I'm not in the carb. Just pull it and it starts. So I know it's got fire. It's got everything it needs. So I'm pretty sure it was like brand new. It was one of those maybe a Princess Auto saw. I don't know. My oldest brother gave it to me. Line is just completely rotten. Yeah. So I don't know if it's ever been run, this chainsaw, or if there was ever gas in it. Hopefully not. Well, it looks like it's been running because you see that sawdust, so it did run before. That's quite the bar, eh? Look at that. Look at the bar nuts, this little wee thing. A Mac 3200. 32 cc's. We can get a run. It'd be good to have on the four-wheeler. Good little quad machine. Maybe we want to switch it up here so you can see a little better. So, just show you what's going on here. Gotta find a good battery. So, you can see there was originally 2 lines, but now they're not there. Well, they're there, but they just don't go anywhere. We got this one here. Yeah, cold now. No good. No good. Let me get a screwdriver. Trying to pull the gas line over here. Here we go. Carburetor out. So it did run at one point. Somebody used it because there's There's sawdust in there. But how much? That I don't know. So, as you can see, 2 holes went right through there. 2 lines went through there. I guess they just go straight into the tank. There's one. That's the supply. This is probably like a return here. Yeah, see that just went in there. Bing boom. Okay, so I think I had got hope you guys can see me. I can't even see myself. Eating China. So let's find us appropriate size. Definitely not that. That could work on my skidoo. Maybe not. This maybe is the one. This one, no. This one's too swell. Probably this one here. Filter's still good. So, how are we going to get that back in there? It's probably like just a tiny hole in the gas tank that allows these to go through without leaking everywhere. Okay, let me put a pause on here and figure out how I'm going to do it. And what I did is I took the line and I just cut the end off it. See? Just trying to pull it through here. One of them. So, looks like we got 2. I don't know how exactly this worked. One supply and one return, I guess, or I don't know. Yeah, I'm not sure. Guess I should have paid more attention before I took it apart, but oh well, we'll figure it out. Can't be that hard. Just a chainsaw. See, I just cut this like this. It's the only way to try and get it through that little wee tiny hole. And then, if you're lucky, you stick that back in there. Try to get it through that little wee hole. So we put some gas in there. Look right there. So you can see this. I don't know where this points, but that's going straight in. So we'll put this back on. Put this on. Those big bar nuts off for now. I didn't clean the carb, so we're just going to try it first, because you never know. Maybe they ran good gas in it. I doubt it, but you never know. Stop. Should be run there. Oh, got a bit of a sticky throttle. So it runs.